Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to the channel for the latest market updates and also the multi-bagger tips. Today we are going to discuss about how the Indian stock market will be performing on coming weeks. The Sensex closed at 57,919.97 and Nifty was closed 17,185.70 during the last trading session. And let us discuss how the market will be trading on coming weeks. As you are aware that the global recession is getting worse, and also I was mentioned in my last video about the upcoming global recession. Actually, since February, I am giving a caution about the global recession, and currently it is getting worsening, and we are expecting the peak by around 2023 May or 2023 June. As you are aware that the IMF forecast is came just few days back, and the Indian economy is the best performing economy among the world powers. According to IMF, the Indian economy will grow by around 6.1% during this time, where the Chinese economy will grow around 4.5% and the USA economy grow by around 1%. UK economy will grow by around 0.3%. While comparing to the last IMF forecast and the current IMF forecast, you can find a major change, because the last IMF forecast was around 8.25% after the Ukraine war was started. Currently it is 6.1%, but still the Indian economy is the best performing economy, and there will not be any major impact on Indian economy, but there will be impact on Indian stock market that you can find from yesterday's trading, where the Sensex and Nifty traded more than 1.2%, around 684.64% gain in BSE, which is around 1.2%, and 171.35% gain in Nifty, which is almost 1.1%. But while we are looking at the individual stocks, you can find that the major stocks are declined during the last trading session. You can find that ONGC, JSW Steel, Mahindra and Mahindra, Bajaj Auto, Adani Enterprises, Asian Paints, Hindalco, Tata Motors, SBI Life, BPCL, Adani Ports, Reliance, Hero Motocorp, Power Grid, Wipro, IndusInd Bank, Bharati Airtel, Maruti, Axis Bank and TCS got declined during last trading session, where the index is gained almost 1.2%. How the gain was happened to the index during last trading session? You can find here Infosys, HDFC Bank and HDFC and HCL Tech made the major contribution to the index. So this we have to consider a impact to the Indian economy and the beginning of a volatile market. So avoid holding any stock with a reasonable profit in your portfolio on coming days. This is not because of the global recession. The Indian stock market is getting volatile, where the Indian economy is stable, almost stable, because there are many factors driving the Indian stock market, like foreign institutional investment, domestic institutional investments, and also the major fund houses. These investments are directly linked with the global economic condition. As everyone knows that the USD is getting strengthened, and we could expect further growth to USD as the major economies are getting declined. In the same time, the Ukraine conflicts also will get extended. The battle between European Union and Russia will not end soon. I was also mentioned in the very beginning of this war that the European Union's motto is to destabilize the Russia. So that will reduce their defense spending. So they are considering this current Ukraine war as an investment for that. So they don't want this conflict to be end soon, and they want to see the worst situation of Russia, and they are prepared for that. So always keep it in mind that Indian economy is almost stable even during this time, during this upcoming recession, but there will be impact on Indian stock market, and we have to utilize that. We have to take that as an opportunity, and we will be able to make better gain from the short-term investment. So always make sure that you have made your investment with a proper strategy during this time, and avoid holding any stock with a reasonable profit. As soon as reach a reasonable profit, book it and divert your fund to the new stock, and always make sure that you have distributed your fund properly. That will reduce your risk on investment. You can refer to our membership options. As considering the current economic condition, we are not providing any long-term multi-bagger recommendations, and we are concentrating only on short-term recommendations that will be available to members Elite. So you can refer to the Elite membership, and we will will resume the Emerald and Ruby recommendations as the market is getting stabilized. Today also I updated new exclusive video, and that will be available to members alike. You can refer to that. So if you didn't subscribe to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, and you can refer to the community tab for small updates. Usually I will provide the small updates in my community tab. So once again, thank you very much for watching this video and kindly subscribe. Thank you.